The first step in initiating a water supply integrity program is to identify all the water sources used for domestic purposes on the reserve. Potential sources may include water wells, storage tanks, springs, creeks, rivers, and lakes. Waterline starts by completing a desktop review of the publicly available data to compile a preliminary list of potential water sources on the reserve. This may include a review of water well drillers' reports, groundwater diversion licenses, and surface water diversion licenses. The list of potential water sources is then provided to the community to verify the status of each and confirm their location if they still exist. In addition, the community will identify any additional sources of water that are being used for domestic purposes. After all the domestic use water sources have been identified, Waterline then schedules a site visit to inspect each water source and complete an assessment of water source status to document any known water quality and quantity issues. During the site visit, a visual inspection of the infrastructure and the area surrounding the water source is conducted so that integrity issues can be identified. At each location, information collected includes historical importance, water use and quantities required, well completion details if applicable, information about the pump and the associated distribution system, information about water treatment and water source maintenance, comments regarding quality and quantity of the water source, data from historical testing or sampling programs, and potential sources of contaminants in the water source area. During the inspection, Waterline photographs the water source and any related features within the surrounding area. GPS coordinates are collected for each water source and associated features. Waterline uses the data gathered during the site visit to identify any potential concerns associated with each water source. Water sources are then prioritized for further quantity and quality testing as part of a baseline testing program. Details of the baseline testing program are presented in a separate video. Please contact Waterline today for more information on our water supply integrity program.